Discover the vibrant energy of Mexico City at night with the Zona Rosa Nightlife tour. In just 3.5 hours, explore the heart of the city's LGBTQ+ culture, taste authentic tacos and experience its lively bar scene. Start your journey at the iconic Fuente de la Diana Cazadora, where your guide will introduce you to the rich history of Zona Rosa, a neighborhood celebrated for its inclusivity and cultural significance.
Savor the flavors of authentic Mexican tacos at a local stand. Each bite is a celebration of the city's legendary street food scene.
Dive into Zona Rosa's vibrant nightlife as you visit its iconic LGBT-friendly bars. Enjoy refreshing cocktails, upbeat music, and the welcoming atmosphere that makes this neighborhood unforgettable. With a small group size and a relaxing pace, this tour is perfect for those looking to connect with the culture and energy of Mexico City at night. Ready for an evening of culture, cuisine, and celebration? Check the link below to book your Zona Rosa Nightlife tour today or visit vibeadventures.com.